Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello boards for project organization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start organizing your projects in Trello, log into your Trello account. Once logged in, create a new board by clicking the Create New Board button. Choose a descriptive name for your board that reflects the project you'll be managing. Select a background color or image to personalize your board's appearance. Set the privacy level for your board according to your project needs. Click on Create Board to finalize it. Next, it's time to add lists to your board. Lists represent different stages of your project, such as to do, in progress, and done. Click on Add a List to create your first list. Type the name of the list and hit Enter to save it. Continue to add additional lists based on your project's workflow. Now, it's time to add cards to your lists. Cards represent tasks or items within each stage of your project. Select the list where you want to add a card and click on Add a Card. Type in a title for your card and hit Enter. To provide more details, click on the card to open it. You can add descriptions, due dates, checklists, and attachments within the card. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click Save. To prioritize your tasks, drag and if you need to move a card to a different list, simply drag it to the desired list. 14. Collaboration. Invite members to your board by clicking on the Invite button. Enter their email addresses to send invitations or share the board link. You can also assign members to specific cards for accountability. To enhance your productivity, explore Trello's labels for color coding your tasks. Click on the card and then the Labels option to create and assign labels. Consider using checklists within cards to break down tasks into smaller steps. You can also set due dates to help keep track of deadlines. Utilize attachments for any relevant files, documents, or links related to your tasks. As your project progresses, regularly update card statuses and move them between lists. Make use of Trello's integrations with other tools to streamline your workflow. To stay organized, periodically review your board and refine lists and cards as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.